is it still effective for 90 years patient with Parkinson? Yeah, it will help because one of my leaders actually have father that suffer from Parkinson. And when the first time I told him about this product, he refused to give to his father. But the result very, very satisfying. That's why he become one of my big leaders. Yeah. So this is very good for Parkinson. And for how about a 90 years old? Yeah, more severe the condition, the more severe the condition. I mean, like the older, the more severe, we can see the effect better even. Because if we give it to very healthy patient like an athlete, maybe we cannot see directly physical improvement. Although it will improve so much also the body. Yeah? Because now lately the products being used for athletes in Indonesia, for Muay Thai athletes, and the result very very satisfying because from one small uh, region in Bali, they have all gold for the province of Bali. And then there they go for national championship and they bring home 4 gold and 1 silver medals. And also the rowing team from Indonesia now become the world champion consuming this product. So this very, very good and change our body even if we are healthy or we are sick. But in sick people or old people, you can see more because the condition already very, very bad. So when the body fixed and the response you can see better. Yeah, use the Subarasi only for Parkinson. Alzheimer disease. Yeah, uh, we have a lot of problem like this. Yeah, because it's can regenerate cells and the effect to the nerve very very good. So I think it will be also a great help for Alzheimer patients. I don't have the specific testimonial for this, or I forget about the testimonials because I got a lot. But of course, all the illness because it can reverse, it can change our sick cell, our dead cells into the new one. Yeah. One story about this, I have a friend that uh, fell down when she was 5 years old, and she consumed this lately because her husband consume this and the skin become very very smooth. So she consume this, want to look more beautiful, but uh, the deaf ear that since when she was 5 years old, now 45 years old, the deaf ear become normal again. So that show how the ability of stimulating regenerating new cells. Yeah. uh, for autism patient. Yeah, 6 years old boy unable 2 minutes old mother still insists to believe this product. Yeah, of course, very very good. I have a lot of testimonial for autism. Yeah, and lately even more spectacular because not only 6 years old but 22 years old, and he become better and better and better. Yeah, some of them very very fast. Yeah, the first testimonial I have is only the autist patient only in 3 weeks, but she's still small. Yeah, maybe around 6 years old or something like that. Uh, become better. Yeah, a lot. But the latest testimonials is 22 years old boy still can get better. 22 years old man, not boy. Yeah, still can get better. So I think, yeah, the mother have to use this product. If she's not believing it, then it's her problem. Because yeah, it's the decision we make that maybe you can mention if you don't try this, then you will never know. But can you imagine whole of your life you will take care of your children? Usually the children take care of the parents, but with the autism, the parents will always take care of the children and also died in worry because no one will take care of this child after the parents pass away. That's the problem. But trying this product, nothing actually. Yeah, buy for 6 months and consume this several times a day, and you will see the result already. Maybe in 2 months, 3 months, already the result you can see. So if you don't want to try, then who knows? Yeah, because a lot of testimonial about this. If the mother, uh, if you give the testimonial to the mother, yeah, the mother should believe because that's the patient themselves, and some of them still have the symptom of autism, although it's milder. Yeah, so I think the mother will be able to see that. Prostate cancer. Yeah. So you know, with this product, you don't have to be specific about the cancer. Oh, this is prostate cancer, this is brain cancer, this is bowel cancer, whatever the cancer, because the mechanism is the same. It will stimulate the NK cell that can detect cancer and get rid of the cancer cells. So whatever the cancer, we can give the Utsukushi. Yeah? Uh, from Seah, yeah. Having two blockades in artery to do bypass. Yeah. Advice to do bypass. Yeah, I have a lot of testimonial that people blood vessel getting clean because of consume the product. The latest testimonial is from my leaders. He is advised to have 9 stents, 9 rings. But after consuming this, yeah, put 6 instantly. But after consuming this, the 3 canceled, only put 2. Two rings. So uh, improve. Yeah. What I don't know if the block 100% already, whether it can work or not, I don't know. But I think it's nothing to try. Yeah, comparing to the bypass that you do, this is bypass is not simple. You will have open heart surgery, very painful, yeah, very expensive, very, I don't know. I dare not imagine that I have that operation. Consuming the products, nothing. Yeah? Just buy the product and consume this. You can consume more if you want the effect better. The only thing about this product you have to be careful is only if you have the symptom like hyperacidity, take the product after meal. Only like that. And else nothing. You will feel the effect usually fast. Yeah. We are not promising something because every condition and every patient different, but generally I saw improvement like this sometimes very, very fast. How about diabetic retinopathy, blur vision, uh, which one help and how to consume? He or she has to use both product, yeah, both products. And yeah, maybe uh, 2 or 3 times a day, it will help. And how about the vision? Will it be well again? We don't know because the condition, the degree, the response also different from person to person. But we have a lot of testimonial even for patients that is blind already. We have several testimonial. They are getting better. Yeah, can see before cannot see at all. Now begin to see the lights and things like that. Several of them become good. And one very frontal testimonial from my friends that has the father Parkinson. I told you just now. He has dogs that have Parkinson, and it's very severe. So if you see the eye of the dog in the center, you will see white circle. And being given this product, the white circle disappear, and the dog can see again. So more or less our body the same as dog. Yeah, that's why they do laboratory tests using dogs. And we have dogs testimonial. We have men testimonial, women testimonial. So I think this worth to try. Yeah. Uh, Dr. Yudi, I noticed that one of product contain glutathione in certain medical articles. Glutathione is seen to feed the cancer cells. How do you counter that? Yeah, with testimonial you talk about, most of the cancer cases seem to have improved significantly. What might be the key factor of that things? Yeah. So glutathione is very strong antioxidant. So it should fight cancers, you know. But don't worry, because the product in Malaysia will not contain glutathione, because Malay government don't agree with glutathione. So instead, the Japanese company changed with another powerful ingredients. Yeah, it's called L-cysteine. So the products will slightly different, yes, but the same effect basically. So no issue for you uh, to talk about glutathione. But from my point of view, in medical world, we all have controversies all the time about everything, and it's not solved after years, you know. So this research show this research show this, and blah 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 blah. And years is not final, and sometimes it changes uh, drastically after a while. So yes, we have problem with like that in medical. But what's my I will focus on what happened. If you have proof like that, cancer's all gone, then it's no use to discuss about what's inside and it will cause cancer, you know, because all the cancer gone. Yeah. Marionette Land. Sorry, I don't know about this. Yeah, I will browse. Marionette Land. Oh, yeah. Yeah, all the product good for skin and everything, because one product like Subarasi stimulates people become young again. That's the point. When you are young, you don't have marionette line, I think. So yeah, it's answered the question. Just try the product. How about prostate problem and prostate cancer? You know, prostate problem caused by hormone imbalance. So when your hormones balance again, the prostate problem will disappear. If enlargement of prostate, yeah. But if prostate cancer, you have to give also Utsubushi. If don't have the cancer, only Subarasi usually already help. How about tinnitus? Yeah, tinnitus also good. You saw the doctors that become young again just now. He also suffer from tinnitus a long time, and the tinnitus gone. Yeah. I knew they replace it cysteine. It is seem to fight the cancer cells too. Yeah, that's theoretically, like I said, you know. But if you see the cancer heal, then done, you know. You don't have to discuss about this and that, because too many information now in social media also cannot be believed. Yeah. And also, like I said, about things doctors still argue about a lot of things. So according to me, it's better to see the end result. That is the most important. For examples, for diarrhea, yeah, before they say that if a person have diarrhea, don't give water, don't give drink, only a little bit of drink. But now you see that theoretically, if you have diarrhea, then drink as much as possible, you know. Yeah, to replace the liquid. So the medical world uh, uh, also change, also develop. Yeah. But for me, I have the tendency to see the end result. That's for me the real one. Like when there is a theory, you know, hey, by opening a restaurant, you can start small and you will get rich, blah 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 blah. And the other theory, oh, if you have the say that the materials store that you will get rich, then I don't care about the discussion. I will just see how many people, that 10% who open the restaurant, what's the effect, 10% who has the material stores, and a lot of them, which one the richest, you know. So if the material stores richest, then I think this is the good one, only like that. So I have the tendency to see the end result. Yeah, and you see the cancer that I just now make you see. That's only 2, 3 cases, but you can browse, you can find hundreds or thousands of it now. We have testimonial all the time about the cancer being cured. So I think this is ends the discussion. Yeah. I don't want to discuss about the controversial in theory, blah 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 blah. But the end result already see that the cancers go away already. Autism is not a penyakit and tiada obat sembuh. What can I do? Yeah, I told you already the autism patient healed. Yeah, so let's just go to end result. This proof, yeah, I have a lot of proof that autism getting better and become normal. So it's no use to discuss about uh, medical way how what happened so it can heal the autism, because I don't know also. Hypothyroid, LDL cholesterol, all the illness you can use this product. Yeah. Also for patient with goiter and things like that, also the response very very good. 4 stage lung cancer, yes. Still can help, yes. As you see, just now we have how much stage about the breast cancer, yeah. So it's not depends, yeah. It depends on the stage, but it depends also the persons and the reaction of the patients to the products. But usually the response very very good. So all of you can start use this, because if you don't try, there is no testimonials. Before I also, when I start this business, I have no testimonial. If I don't try to my patients, to my father, then I won't know these products very, very powerful and very, very good. But if I try, then I will know. So for me, it's better to try than to just hesitate and think about it, but never consume it, because 100% if you don't consume it, you will not have result. But if you consume this, maybe 80% or 90%, you will have good result. That's what we have to fight for. How many types of product the fourth stage lung cancer patient can take? Yeah, can take Usukusi dominant. You can ask your leaders, because I trained the Malaysian leaders already, and they all knew about this product also. They know what Usukusi dominant means. Yeah, so you can ask them later. So we can certainly we have to use Utsukushi, certainly, yeah, and a lot, because fourth state, yeah. And then we also have to use a little bit of Subarashi, because cancer patient also have destruction of cells. Just to rebuild, the Utsukushi to crush the cancers, the Subarashi to rebuild the new cells. Maybe this is the questions already finished. I return back to Miss Leong,
Yeah. Thank you,
Miss
Dr.
Mel.
Yes.
Sorry.
Thank you, Dr. Yudi, for being so dedicated to us, yeah, and answering all our questions. Though he had been teaching us a lot, that all these are only improving our cells, yeah. So a lot of our problems can all be addressed. Okay, but on the other hand, Dr. Yudi, just out of curiosity, yeah, how many doctors are there over in Indonesia? I heard a lot, yeah.
Oh yeah. Now, uh, more than 4,000 doctors already join, and a lot of them also because they have illness before.
Oh,
So it's not easy, to make doctors convince. It's not easy. You will experience this later. But like just now, Doctor After, if he has no choice, he will try. And if he try, then he will see this is good. And then he will use it for practice and to his family and things like that. Some of them, like Dr. After just now, the one that's have COVID after the injection, now even very active, going here and there to introduce this, sometimes go weeks. leaving his practice. This is very strange because he's very famous doctor, have a lot of patients and have a lot of money, you know, and should be there and taking care of the patients. But instead, he think that this product can help more patients, you know. So he now go here and there, yeah, introducing these products. That's not for money, of course, yeah.
All right,
Okay.
so doctors are reaching out to, yeah, not for money, but then more for, all other reasons beside money.